Question number 25. Look here. The valence bond diagram of a metal ion in its complexation indicates what valence bond theory indicates. A is what color, B is stability, C is stereochemistry, D magnetic property. Recollect the valence bond theory. The postulates are not talking about anything about either color, stability or stereochemistry. This particular valence bond theory is completely based on magnetic properties of a complex. So, the valence bond diagram of a metal ion its complex indicates only magnetic property. Once you are saying inner orbital and outer orbital, inner orbital is found to be diamagnetic and outer orbital found to be paramagnetic. So, it much more explains about the magnetic property of a complex. Therefore, 25th question, answer is D. Question number 26. Which of the following possess tetrahedral geometry? Which of the following possess tetrahedral geometry? A. Copper tetramine plus 2 and B. Nickel tetramine plus 2. Nickel DMZ taken twice and zinc CN taken 4 times. You consider this particular copper with plus 2 coordinate number 4, all are found to be, that is square planar, not tetrahedral. Copper plus 2 complexes generally found to be square planar with the dsp2 hybridization, not tetrahedral. Coming to B, nickel tetramine we already discussed, and nickel DMZ. Nickel plus 2 complexes, nickel plus 2 either to take amine ligand and a DMZ ligand, both are strong field. Then D8 system, electrons are getting paid, therefore one orbital is becoming vacant, therefore dsp2 hybridization. So A is square planar, B is also square planar, C is also square planar, but zinc Zn Cn taken 4 times minus 2. Zinc plus 2 with coordinate number 4, it must and should be sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral. So for the question number 26, the answer is what? D. Question number 27. Which of the following dsp2 hybridization is found? Wherever the complex is having square planar geometry, in such case we can say it is what? dsp2 hybridization. A. Nickel tetracyanide minus 2. We thoroughly discussed in the class. It is nickel tetracyanide minus 2. It is square planar and definitely it is dsp2. Coming to B. Nickel DMZ twice. Nickel DMZ twice. It is what? Nickel DMZ twice. No charge is given. Yes. It is DMZ is actually bidentate. It is also square planar. Then it is dsp2. Nickel tetramine plus 2. Nickel plus 2. Amine is strong field. Electrons are getting paid. Then this is also dsp2 hybridization. So far, question number 27, all is the answer. Answer is D. Right, question number 28. Which of the following possess trigonal bipyramid geometry? Trigonal bipyramid. So generally wherever coordinate number 5 comes, then you can think of it is trigonal bipyramid. Now you talk about option A. A you see FeCO taken 5 times, coordinate number 5. Yes, it is dsp3, then it will be trigonal bipyramid. Coming to FeCO taken 4 times, triphenyl phosphine, coordinate number 5 again, that is also trigonal bipyramid. Coming to C, CO, FeCO taken thrice, Fe3, actually that is triphenyl phosphine taken twice, that is what question number C, that is option number C. Then in all the ABC, the coordinate number is 5. Therefore, in all these complexes, the geometry is found to be trigonal bipyramid. So here answer is D. See question number 29. Which of the following complexes of nickel 2 will show tetrahedral geometry? Among the given options, we have to see in which the geometry is what? Tetrahedral. Option A is given simply nickel tetrachloride. Minus. See this particular complex, Cl is what? Weak field and coordinate number 4, no pairing of electrons, definitely it is what? Tetrahedral geometry. Coming to option B, nickel tetracyanide is given. Minus. Yes, Cn is what? Strong field ligand. Yes, oxidation number here plus 2, here plus 2, here D8, here also D8. But here the difference is Cn is what? Strong field, electrons are getting paid. Once 8 electrons are getting paid, one orbital becoming vacant. It is coming to what? DsP2 hybridization. It is clear. Coming to next option C, nickel DMG is given, DMG twice. Nickel DMG twice. This particular complex, DMG is what? Negative ligand. Again it is nickel plus 2. Yes, DMG is strong field. Electrons are getting paid. In this also, hybridization what? DsP2, geometry square phenol. Coming to next, nickel base ethylenediamine, nickel ethylenediamine complex. Nickel ethylenediamine complex, and again plus 2. Here also nickel is plus 2, D8, N is strong field, electrons are getting paid. See option B, C, D, DsP2 hybridization is there and geometry comes to be square phenol. Question is, in which the geometry is what? Tetrahedral. Though in nickel tetrachloride minus 2, that is only chloride is weak field, that is tetrahedral geometry with sp3 hybridization. So here answer is what? A.